One of the useful tools that you have available on OB7's interface is what we call custom tiles. Now you're familiar with the pre-existing tiles, such as pick, place, push, etc. But there's also the ability to actually create your own tile. To do this, you go to the Start tile, select This is a custom tile, and then you can create a task or job just as you would before. But this task or job is going to be something you're using over and over again, such as opening and closing a door, pushing a cycle start button, etc. For this example, we can teach a quick opening of a door. So I'll go in, I'll add my moves necessary to actually open the door. And then from there, I can go in and rename the actual job. We'll name it door for now. And now I can go into a new job or any other larger job. And again, to make this custom tile, you're going to select This is a custom tile. And this will be available to you in all your next jobs. So if we scroll down, we can see below our already pre-existing tiles, we have door down here at the bottom. And we can slide that into any old job and always have it there. Don't have to reteach it. It's always available to you. So you can build up a whole library of these custom tiles. And so that's a great way of creating jobs more efficiently and a little bit quicker, and also organizing larger complex jobs that are a little bit harder to look at and understand what each actual thing is doing. You can break your job down into subtasks that you can then go in and edit if you really wanted to. And it's a little bit more digestible for you to look at just that smaller portion of the job. And so that's the custom tile. It's a great way to create jobs a little bit quicker and a little bit more effectively. It'll make things a little bit smoother for you down the road, especially with those larger, more complicated jobs.